Moshi Taluka, situated in the rain-fed regions of the Sahyadris in Pune district of Maharashtra. Many villages in Moshi Taluka face huge water scarcity issues even in spite of its close proximity to the Moshi Dam. Villagers face water scarcity for 2 out of the 3 seasons of the year. Due to the steep slopes of the Sahyadris, water runoff rate in this region is high and hence storage of water is difficult. The villagers have to travel about 4 to 5 kilometers distance to get water for drinking purpose and other domestic use. On being notified about this problem, TERRE Policy Centre came up with immediate actions. After having discussions with the Gram Panchayat and the villagers regarding this issue, it was concluded that there is an urgent need for deepening and widening of the existing old well or constructing a new well to meet the water availability for the villages. Hence, on World Environment Day 2016, TERRE inaugurated the revival and restoration of the well in the Ahirwadi region of Vandre village. The chief guest was Dr. Ram Bhuj, who is the regional director of UNESCO. The inauguration was done by Dr. Vinita Apte, president of TERRE Policy Centre, in the presence of the Sarpanch and the villagers. After solving this water scarcity problems in Ahirwadi region, TERRE has cited 4 other locations in the same Moshi Taluka. In 2017, out of 4 locations, TERRE has constructed 3 25 by 25 feet wells at Pimpale Vasti, Susale Vasti and Limbarwadi Vasti. In Vandre village, TERRE has installed a gravity system near existing well for easy water supply to the villagers. TERRE team has discussed associated problems with the villagers and their views regarding financial growth and employment in the village. Considering the immense water scarcity issues in summer, TERRE has distributed water by regular water tankers for the period of 2 months and water tanks with the capacity of storing 200 liters of water in each house. Electricity was also a major issue in these sites. TERRE has distributed small solar LED lights among the villages under TERRE Policy Centre's Light for Brilliant campaign. Thus, by solving water scarcity issues in these areas, the productivity and income growth of the villagers has increased in animal husbandry and farming practices. Hence, to make a difference globally, we need to act locally.